Cypress automation. Why to learn? Reason is very simple. It's good to learn JavaScript based tools. Moreover, some companies where the dev code is available on JavaScript, they prefer doing the automation also uh, using JavaScript. Okay, and see, companies, more than 70% of the companies, their UI technology, right, is made of somewhere React JS, Angular JS, right, Vue JS. They're using this, correct? So somewhere their code is in JavaScript itself. So they prefer now like having their automation code in Cypress. How to start learning, that we talked about earlier also, that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basic knowledge you should have. Then you can move to Cypress, learning Cypress part. Advantage is you can see the execution, right? So you can see the execution in the logs. You can see execution, logs. So at the left hand side, you will be able to see your code. At the right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see the execution itself, right? So in other tools, it's like you are able to see the execution, let's say in some browser, but you are not able to see the log and all, right? You have to explicitly write the logs, then only you will be able to see it. But Cypress generates its own logs. I'll show you that in just 5 to 10 minutes. It has good supporting, so this is one advantage. There is one advantage, and it's faster because it directly communicates with the browser. Okay, it's faster. Then I'm talking faster than Selenium, because Selenium architecture is little bit different. It communicates with the driver communicates with the uh, a particular browser, right? So there is a driver in between, right? There is a kind of Selenium command is converted in a way which driver can understand, and driver communicates to the browser in Selenium. But in Cypress, there is a direct communication with the browser. Okay. So whatever code you are writing, it is converted in such a way that it will directly communicate with your browser itself. So it's a faster. It has good supporting libraries to find the element for the framework part, and you don't have to, you don't have to much thing on the framework design part, because the basic framework it itself provides. Integration with Jenkins command line is good. You can do web testing, web UI testing, API testing, both the things in a single framework, in a single um, you know same Cypress code. You can shift to the API testing. You can come back and do web UI testing. It's possible. Or you can create a separate proper project for API testing as well. Limitation. As of now, multi-tab testing is bit complex. So when we say multi-tab testing, it's like opening a new tab. Okay, opening a new tab. So when you click on something, it's opening a new tab and then switching to the new tab. There is a code in Selenium, right, which you do it very easily, switching to a new window, right? So in Cypress, it's not in that way, right? You have to write one extra code to work with the multi-tab, right? Multi-domain support is not there. So when we say multi-domain support, it's like when you are working with xyz.com and you clicked on something, but then it is opening some other website, right? So that will not work with Cypress. If you're continuing on xyz.com and you're continuing like doing different things on different page, it's perfectly fine. Another limitation is it works with JavaScript and TypeScript only. It doesn't work with, other programming language. So that is a kind of limitation. Okay. And now, um, Framework design is automatic. Somebody is asking. Yes, yes, yes. Framework design, as you create the modules, it becomes automatic, right? Automatic means most of the things it provides on its own. You don't have to worry about how I will put my test data, how I will capture the test data, how the report will look like. If you do it properly, the things will happen automatically. Okay. And there is another advantage is about dashboard. Dashboard means there is a reporting dashboard or the execution dashboard, which will show you how many test case passed, which test suite got passed, which is failed, pass percentage, coverage, and all, right? So there's a good dashboard also provided by Cypress. Okay. Now let's do practical.